हेलो एवरीवन। तो अकबर के बारे में भी आज पढ़ाई देते हैं। अकबर का टाइम पीरियड है 1556 से लेकर 605 एडी तक। वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर ऑफ मुगल डायनेस्टी है। इसका एल्डेस्ट सन हुमायूं है। इसका फुल नेम क्या है? अब्दुल फतह जलालुद्दीन मोहम्मद अकबर। और अकबर असेंडेड द थ्रोन एट द एज ऑफ 30 एट कालानौर पंजाब। और इसका जो रीजेंट होता है, ट्यूटर होता है, बैरम खान होता है। एंड अकबर बहरम खान लेड अकबर फोर्सेस टू विक्ट्री इन सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, जो कि 1556 में होता है, विच वाज फॉट बिटवीन हिम एंड हेमू द हिंदू जनरल ऑफ मोहम्मद आदिल शाह। हेमू वाज डिफीटेड, कैप्चर्ड एंड स्लैम। अकबर ट्राइड टू विन ओवर द राजपूत वेयर ever possible and inducted Rajput kings into Mughal service and treated them at par with Mughal nobility। ये किससे शादी करता है? हरका भाई जोधा भाई से, जो कि डॉटर होता है बहरमाल कचवाहा राजपूत रूलर ऑफ आमिर। शी वाज लेटर हॉनर्ड विद टाइटल मैरम उज जमानी आफ्टर शी गेव बर्थ टू जहांगीर। राणा प्रताप सिंह एंड सन अमर सिंह सिसोदिया राजपूत ऑफ मेवाड़ कैपिटल चित्तौड़ did not recognize his supremacy। This resulted in Battle of Haldi Ghati 1576 between Rana Pratap and Mughal army led by Man Singh of Amir। Rana Pratap was defeated but he never surrendered। New religion proclaimed by Akbar Din-e-Ilahi 1581। It was based on a synthesis of values and teachings from various religions including Islam, Hinduism, Jainism, Christianity and Zoroastrianism। Only Hindu to follow this Rajan was Birbal। Architecture built by Akbar। He built Fatehpur Sikri in 1570 AD in honor of Salim Chishti, ये Sufi saint, and shifted his court from Agra to आगरा को शिफ्ट करता। आगरा फोर्ट 1565, लाहौर फोर्ट 1566 AD, बुलंद दरवाजा एट फतेहपुर सिकरी 1573 AD टू कॉमेरेट हिज विक्ट्री ओवर गुजरात एक्सपीडिशन। इलाहाबाद फोर्ट 1585 AD। 1569 AD Akbar's son Jahangir was born। 1571 Akbar shifted capital from Agra to Sikri। 1585 capital shifted from Sikri to Lahore and 1598 capital shifted from Lahore to Agra। बुलंद दरवाजा फतेहपुर सिकरी, पंच महल फतेहपुर सिकरी, सालिम चिश्ती टूम built by Akbar, redone in marble by Jahangir। Place of Birbal and place of Tansen are also inside the Fatehpur Sikri। Navaratna of Akbar, 9 jewels। Birbal administrator, Abul Fazl scholar and statesman, Fezi brother of Abul Fazl scholar and statesman, Todermal finance minister, Dashala Bandodast Japti and Fakir Ajuddin Mansingh Mansabdar, grandson of Harmal Tansen musician, Abdul Rahim Khane Khana statesman, Hindu poet, Mulla Do Pyaja। Akbar started Ibadat Khana, religious discussion used to happen here। Okay, and Chahar Bagh style of architecture was introduced by Mughals in India। Tansen originally served under Raja Ramchandra Singh, Tomar dynasty ruling in Gwalior। Tansen original name is Ram Tanu Pandey and he belonged to Rawa Gwalior Gharana। He composed Dhurpars and played Rudra Veena। He was also given Mian title to Akbar। Okay, Abul Fazl wrote Akbar Nama, biography of Akbar, that has 3 parts। First, it is about ancestor of Akbar। Second, it is about reign of Akbar। Third, Ain Akbari, it is about his administration which was inspired from Sher Shah Suri। Okay, Akbar also built a translation department, Maktab Khana। Ramayana was translated into Persian by Abdul Qadir Badayuni। Mahabharata was translated into Persian by Fezi and Abdul Qadir and called Rajnama। Leelavati Bai Vesacharya was converted to Persian by Fezi। Land revenue system. Revenue was fixed based on the average yield of the land over the past 10-year estimate, known as Dasala, also known as Japti system। It was introduced by Todermal, Polraj, Paroti, Chachar and Banjar। Polaj, the most fertile and productive land cultivated regularly without being left fallow। Paroti, land left uncultivated for 1 to 2 years to regain its fertility। Chachar, land left fallow for 3 to 4 years before being cultivated again। Banjar, land that remained uncultivated for 5 years or more। He abolished Jizya, okay, administration। He started Mansabdari system in 1571। The word Mansab means rank or position, which determined the status, salary and number of soldiers Mansabdars were required to maintain। Mansabs were graded on a numerical scale, with the lowest rank being to 10 and highest reaching 5,000, later raised to 7,000 and 10,000। Each mansabs were assigned jat representing their personal rank। Mansab Das were often paid in Jagirs land assignment from where they had the right to collect revenue from those lands. Military commanders in Akbar Empire, Faujdar. Raja Man Singh had a mansab of 7,000, Sapt Hazari. Last expedition of Akbar. Akbar defeated Mirhan Bahadur, ruler of Khandes. In 1601, Akbar carried out his last expedition in fort of Asirgarh of Khandes, part of Ahmednagar. Akbar won, however, his son Jahangir revolted against him and he died in 1605, tomb of Akbar in Sikandra, Agra. तो आप लोगों को मैंने अकबर के बारे में पढ़ा दिया। आशा करता हूँ कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत जो कुछ भी समझ में आया होगा काफ़ी है।